with the Wellness Spot, and I have here with me today India Karen. And we wanted to come and talk to you today because we've been talking about cleansing our liver, cleansing our gallbladder. We've been talking about what can we do to get on the journey to wellness. And India here has done just that. She did a 10-day cleanse. She did the apple juice, the master cleanse, and she also did the liver gallbladder flush. So India, tell me, how do you feel?
Well, I feel great. And she forgot to say, before I did the apple juice cleanse, I did 2 days of nothing but water. So I feel great. My energy levels are high. My thoughts are better.
So you got rid of that brain fog.
Yes, it's like, wow. Even waking up at 4:30, I've been waking up at 4:30 every day, me and my cousin, except a couple days. Even if we don't wake up in the morning, we still try to get that good exercise in, and it's just great. Like, I wake up looking for a great day, and I think the cleanse helped me with it a lot. But the thing that I really liked the most about the cleanse was passing the gallstones.
That's right. So she did the gallbladder liver flush, and she passed over 70 stones from her liver and her gallbladder. But before we get there, let me ask you a question. So you said the regimen that you did 2 days of water only, and that water has to be water. The chemical structure of water is hydrogen and oxygen. So 2 days of water, then you did 3 or 4 days of apple juice and water.
Yep, apple juice and water. So a gallon of apple juice a day, which is a lot. Also a gallon of water a day, or however much you can drink. A little under a gallon for me. Followed by, at the end of the night, every night you do the salt water, 32 ounces. Is it 32? 32 ounces of water and some pink Himalayan salt, and you do a salt water flush. And on the third night, some people think it's the hardest night. I didn't. I actually thought the olive oil and lemon juice wasn't that bad.
Yeah, the taste is not bad.
It's not, because you're squeezing 1/4 cup of fresh lemons out into your olive oil. So the lemon with the olive oil is just like a little oily lemon.
Yes. So you did a gallon of apple juice, a gallon of water. One way of doing that is just a 16-ounce cup each meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner, because we think like that as Americans. We got to eat 3 meals, so you can just break it down like that and drink your water in between. But you got to get that gallon of apple juice, that gallon of water in. So that's 3 days. Each night you do 32 ounces of warm water with Himalayan salt. How much Himalayan salt did you put in there? Do you remember?
Maybe, I think now, depending on your spoon, if you're technical, I did maybe two spoonfuls, because it was 32 ounces. So I did 2 teaspoonfuls of it.
Okay. So you drink that, then you go to bed and just get up the next day full of energy, feeling great. Then on the third night, you go to bed about 10 o'clock.
On your right side.
And you mix a 1/2 cup of olive oil with how many lemons?
Well, it depends on how big your lemons are, because I was able to use 5.5 lemons to squeeze 2 1/4 of a cup to add with the olive oil. Okay. And that was separated in between 2 people, so 6 lemons. But it just depends on how big those, and organic lemons. You want to make sure your lemons are organic.
And you have to squeeze those with your hand. You can't put those in a juicer. So then you mix the 2. You drink that at 10 p.m. You go to bed. You lay on your right side. And the next morning, you wake up and you start to